Hello and welcome to Zirconia Home Remedies. Today I'll be telling you how you can make a wheatgrass drink at home, and this is especially for people who don't have a juicer. All you'll need is a kettle, a cup, a teaspoon and wheatgrass powder. This one is from Nutriseed, but if you have it from somewhere else it's probably as good, but I would highly recommend this one because this is my favourite and it's the best one. Money's worth as well. You've got 200 grams here and it's really good stuff. Right, so you'll get your spoon, and if this is your first time actually doing it, you only want to have a little bit, a bit more than that. Let's shake that off. About half a teaspoon. Now the only reason a tablespoon, sorry. The only reason I say that is because the first time you have it, what happens is your body's not used to chlorophyll and all the antioxidants, so it just has to get used to it a bit. If you did have a lot, it wouldn't do anything. But they just say it's best to start off with little first, because years ago we would be having lots of that, but nowadays we don't have enough chlorophyll antioxidants. So if you do want to know all the health benefits of this lovely wheatgrass tea, click the link in the description because I've made another video. So all you want to do here is stir it for a little bit. Now this is the easiest way, because if you have powder it's all been blended for you. So many people have juicers, but if you don't have a juicer, all you have to do is buy powder, a kettle, spoon and a tea, and it's simple. And this stuff is so powerful.